What are two clips that give off the same energy?
Hello everyone, we're SB19. First and foremost, I would like to thank God for giving us the strength to get through everything. And of course, giving us 18. You guys are the best, we love you all so much. We would like to thank our managers and our staff who is always behind us, doing all the dirty work, helping us to get through everything that we've been experiencing. And we just want to say that we're really proud of you and we love you all so much. Thank you so much.
This award represents the P-pop community's mission, and that is to bring the Filipino artistry to the global stage, starting here in Asia. We're just so thankful for all of our supporters, and I would just like to say to our fellow artists, let's keep working hard, let's strive for excellence, and let's create with a heart of service for ourselves, for our fans, and to God. Ama, salamat at ikaw ang agimat. Bawat banat, patuloy na wawagay-wayang watawan. Mabuhay ang musikang Pilipino. Salamat po.
마지막에 엄마